I wake up early in the day, I go to the kitchen right away. I feel hungry, calm and bright. The morning feels warm and light. I start my day in a good way. I make my breakfast every day. I open the fridge and look inside. I choose my food and decide. Eggs and bread are on the table. Making breakfast feels so simple. I move slowly, feel relaxed. Morning time helps me reset. I take my time, I don't rush. Morning moments feel so much. Simple habits help me stay calm and ready for the day. I am making breakfast now. Simple food shows me how. I cook eggs and toast some bread. Good food helps my body and head. I'm making breakfast today. I start my morning in a good way. I heat the pan and crack an egg. I stir it slow, I don't forget. I smell the food, it smells so nice. Simple meals are always right. I listen to music while I cook, learning English with every look. I read labels short and clear. English words are everywhere. Salt and sugar, milk and tea. Daily words are easy to see. Breakfast time helps me learn. English skills slowly return. Daily routines help me grow. I learn English as I go. Simple action, simple play help me practice every day. I am making breakfast now. Simple food shows me how. I cook eggs and toast some bread. Good food helps my body and head. I am making breakfast today. I start my morning in a good way. Morning habits make me strong. They help my learning move along. I listen, read and understand. English fits my daily plan. I sit down and take a bite. Everything feels calm and right. I drink some coffee or warm tea. Morning time is good for me. I feel ready, I feel awake. Breakfast time is a good break. I clean the table after that. Small routines help me relax. I speak simple words aloud. I feel quiet, not too loud. Making breakfast starts my day in a